everyone. Today this video is basically just the basic materials that you need to do a full set. And this video is for beginners. If you're not a beginner, you're already licensed, or you're already a nail tech, this video is not beneficial to you. And everything that you see here, which cuticle, all that stuff, everything I have has came from Sally Beauty Supply. Some people don't recommend you to get stuff from the hair beauty supply stores, but for me, everything has been working just fine. I haven't had my nails lift or just break or anything because I've been doing a good prep and with just these basic things. So if you're a beginner, or you said you just want to practice acrylic nails, you want to start doing your own, anything of that sort, this is all the materials that you need, and that's it to just do a basic full set. So let's go through them. 1 cuticle pusher, just a basic cuticle pusher. File, also a basic file. Normally people use like the 100, the 100 or the 180 grit, medium, whatever. You know, that's the typical one that I normally see. Nail tips, and I use these specific full cover ones because I'm a beginner, and if I'm just practicing on myself or my hand, I just like to be able to pop them off and do a new set after I'm done doing that set. So if that's something that you will be interested in, being able to continue to do more sets without having to soak the nails off of a fake hand, or even your hand or family or friends' hands, use a full covered nail tip and not just a half nail tip. And that's just a tip for a beginner. Definitely glue. You're gonna need glue, nail glue, any kind of nail glue. Nail file. And excuse my nails, I did say I am a beginner. This is my first time doing my nails, so they look bad. I'm about to soak them off today, but nail file. Primer so that the acrylic stays onto the nail and does not lift and just break off really easy. Because it will if you don't use a primer or a dehydrator and a primer. Whatever is best for you, or whatever you're comfortable with. Acrylic brush. And if you're a beginner, I would recommend not to go out and buy an expensive brush because you're just practicing. Yes, that's my little baby. She'll be 3 months on the 23rd. But anyways, monomer or acrylic liquid. You definitely need that. With a dapping dish or two. Just you know, basic clear acrylic. And then this is optional because you can always leave the nails clear. I mean, considering the fact that you are probably just practicing. But me, I always, even when I'm just practicing, I always like to just put some polish on. So I use the OPI. They say that's a really good brand. And then I just use a regular fast dry top coat. And then a cuticle oil after I'm done. But I mean, like I said, you're just practicing most likely, so you won't even really need the cuticle oil. But I'm just showing you what it takes to do a basic full set. So, you know, you can also go out and get a kit, and then when you purchase the kit, it normally comes with just about everything that's in here, and even more stuff actually. So but I mean, if you're not really, you know, you don't really have a lot of money to buy a kit or whatever, you can just go to your local beauty supply store, and these are the basic things that you can get to practice acrylic nails or do acrylic nails, whatever, you know, you desire to do when it comes to doing acrylic nails on a, just a basic set. So if you like this video and you want to see more stuff just like this, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will be back every day with a different video just for people that's beginners and you want to try new kits out, you want to see nails get done, you want to see the tools. That I'll be doing all of that on my channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the little bell so you can get the notifications. Bye.